I want to do my externship here at Disney World because it's a great culinary opportunity. When you are able to put Walt Disney on your resume, that opens so many doors for you. With the Escoffier and Walt Disney partnership, I say it's a win-win for both parties because you guys help build chefs. Disney helps perfect chefs. You guys have us in the training, you have us in the trenches, you have us from either experienced cooks trying to get better or people that know that they want to start but they don't have the basics and they learn from the bottom up. So being here, you have to step up, you have to be able to hold your weight, hold your own, and produce what this name stands for. And that'll really push people to their limits, to their creativity and stuff like that. So it's a great opportunity for any aspiring chef to come to.